Hey, what's up, party people? So today we're going to be installing a rear diffuser sent to me by American Modified. So let's get to it. In the packaging, you get the diffuser itself, a third LED brake light, some 3M tape, and some screws, along with some promoter. So first thing we got to do is drill some holes for the third LED brake lights, just so we can run the wire through. Once we run the wire through, we are going to go ahead and screw on the third brake lights. So we're just going to go ahead and remove some of this trunk liner so the wires can have access to the tail lights. So you can go ahead and actually use this panel underneath the car and use it to run the wires directly through. Now we have access to the wires to the trunk. So now we are just testing to see and making sure the third brake light works. Wires were ran red to red, yellow to yellow, black to black. There was no splicing required. It was just a direct plug and play. So we just went ahead and directly plugged it into the tail lights. Now we're just gonna go ahead and apply some 3M tape. Hopefully we can get it to fit nicely. Now we're finally going to install it. Huge shout out to my friend Neil Singh for helping out. This install is a lot easier with two people. So once it's nicely on there, we could go ahead and drill on some of the screws that were provided. Once we have all the screws on there, we are done. Damn, looks so sick. Look at that. So I was always a fan of third brake lights, and I feel like it gives the car kind of a JDM look, the look I was kind of going for. So thank you so much, American Modified, for making this happen. Appreciate it.